Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at using a practical example of what happens when you combine nesting and rotation. And this will mostly be used if you want to save some extra space or fit in more shapes to your actual cutting sheet. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now just a quick recap again. So this is going to be a practical video, not so much a tutorial on the nitty-gritties. And we're going to be looking at how can you use rotation to get more shapes out of your cutting plane instead of having a wastage file or wasted space. So I'm going to start by going new sheet. I'm just going to go the default 2000 by 1000 with the beam diameter 1, say okay. Then we're going to go to flat parts, and this time I'm going to choose this L looking shape, and then I'm going to set the first one to, or the A to 500, and let's maybe set this to 600, and then the widths of these lengths I'm going to be setting to 300. Say okay, and then let's go part quantity. I'm going to go about 6. So this is obviously quantity nesting, just keep that in mind. Then we're going to say add. So now if I go to nesting, I'll make sure rotation is off, and we see start. We can see over here we've got 4 shapes in our actual cutting plane, and as you guys can see, we've got quite a few spaces that we're going to be wasting. You can manually try move this, but I think we're just out of the scale, so it won't be able to put it there. You'll have to put it off center, which you still have the same problem. So now if we go back to nesting and we put the rotation, there's obviously many different settings for 180, 90, 45, and this all depend on your shape you're playing with. But I only need 180-degree rotation to try squeeze in some more shapes. So now as we can see here, we've got 4 at the moment. So if I go start now, you can see now we can actually fit 6 in. So click OK, and now you can see we've got all our shapes that we've added or created on our actual cutting plane with very little wasted space or wasted sheet. So that is a great way or example that you can use rotation to save or rather to add more parts to your sheet. Without rotation, this will unfortunately not be possible. You can obviously manually rotate all of this, but that's all going to take you extra time, which is unnecessary if you have something like a nesting feature. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical with nesting with rotation. I hope you guys find it informative. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.